The Nyothrab Indigenous Women's Society offers placement assistance to courses in healthcare that include nursing, MBBS, and BSc in Allied Health Sciences, Technology, and many others. For details, contact 97749-90534 and 98561-72263. Poliomyelitis or polio is a viral disease affecting the central nervous system. Each country has been affected by poliomyelitis before vaccination. Since it affects the central nervous system, many victims became paralyzed, disabled physically, mentally, with varying degrees. Rotary has been working to eradicate polio for more than 35 years now. The primary aim to eradicate this disease from the face of the world is achievable in the very near future. Rotary members through the Rotary International have contributed more than $2.1 billion and countless hours of working to protect nearly 3 billion children in 122 countries from this paralyzing disease. The action of Rotarians has contributed more than $10 billion, enabling government of the world to immunize children. India was declared polio-free in 2016, and pulse polio drops immunization is being carried out in January every year to prevent fresh cases from coming up, since the neighboring countries are not yet free from polio. The year 2026 has been targeted to declare the world as polio-free. In Shillong too, the day was celebrated, whereby an awareness program hosted by the Rotary Club Orchid City was held in the presence of its president, Dr. Judita Imle, member of the Rotary Club Orchid City, Barnabas Nongba, parents and children, besides other invitees.
24th October, Rotary International celebrated as a World Polio Day. So that's why we are here today. And we should not get confused with the pulse polio immunization of the government of India, which is being held every year in the month of January and continues to the month of February. So why polio in India first? I would say it is because we have to continue this, so that this polio, which is still available in the other countries like Afghanistan, Pakistan and Nigeria, they might not come here. So the new policy that the government is planning along the WHO, I don't know whether it will come true or not. It is a plan from 2022 to 2026. They will give a gap of 2 years and review, and then another gap of 2 years and review, and if by the year 2026 there's no more occurrence of polio in the world, then the polio drops might end. And that's why we are still continuing polio drops in India. And like how this polio celebration comes about in Rotary International, it is that we Rotarians, if we are a member of Rotary International, it is our duty bound to pay $100 per year. And we are so lucky we have the Melinda Bill Gates Foundation, which they will double our money. If I give $100, Melinda Bill Gates Foundation will give $200 to fight polio. So this is like how Rotary International fought polio in the world in the last 35 years, and we conquered the world except in Afghanistan. And Afghanistan, we know why, because of the turmoil that is. Last year they said that they lost 1 million children to come for polio. They disappeared. So this year they said that they will search this 1 million children who disappeared last year, who supposed to get polio drop. They will give this 1 million drops again with the fresh polio drops of the new kids that are there.